We're reacting to Donald Trump's March job report. Y'all won't believe this. 228,000 jobs created, American jobs. But you know what? Don't listen to me. Listen to them. MSNBC. See what I'm saying? MSNBC. Watch how they respond. Check this
We
out.
did just get news about the March jobs report released moments ago, and it shows that the U.S. Really good. It shows the U.S. added 228,000 jobs last month, well above the 140,000 that economists had expected. The unemployment rate ticked up to 4.2%. And this comes against the backdrop of the market plunging yet again ahead of the opening bell in continued reaction to the widespread tariffs levied this week by the Donald Trump administration. Joining us now live from the New York Stock Exchange is NBC News senior business correspondent Christine Lohman. So tie these things together here. The apprehension there on Wall Street about these tariffs, but a bigger than expected jobs report.
Yeah, all-out dread about tariffs, honestly, what it's going to do to business, what it's going to do to economies, what it's going to do to markets. And then you have the backdrop, John, of this durable, resilient American labor market. When you're creating more than 250,000 jobs, that is a great tailwind to have heading into something as unknown as what the president is doing with his tariffs, trying to remake the global system. So the unemployment rate ticking up a little bit. Most economists not too concerned about that. February's number revised down a little bit, watching these numbers, but certainly it just shows you, looking back in the rearview mirror, heading into this potential global trade war, the U.S. economy, the American labor market was still pretty resilient. And I will note to you that there were 4,000 federal jobs lost in that report. That's just the tip of the spear, I think, for what we'll be seeing in the weeks and months ahead, when tens of thousands of federal government workers will start showing up in these numbers. So
I'll tell you this. One thing, you can't trust economists and people that predict things, because it's like going to the ladies with the crystal balls. You know what I'm talking about. A fortune teller. It's like going to a fortune teller, having them predict the future. Nobody can predict the outcome. It's only trade. And people don't understand. Tariffs is all about leverage and trade. And look what it did. It brought production back to America, which we lost. It created 228,000 jobs. And the crazy thing is, I'm back in the job market. Even though I have a job, I was looking for a job with more money. And I was wondering, I'm like, what are they talking about? There are jobs out there. Go on Indeed. These jobs is opportunities out there. So I look at it like this. You got to give the man time to work instead of sitting in panic. Let's just see it work. But I understand what it is. It's Donald Trump. They don't like the person delivering it. It could have been anybody else. It could have been anybody.